Sa usaping insurance, sino nga ba talaga ang dapat mauna? Ang tatay, ang nanay, o ang anak? In this video, I'll be sharing to you a concept to help you decide who should go first. So if you are interested in that topic, please keep on watching. Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today's video, I'll be sharing to you a concept kung saan makakatulong sa inyo, lalo na kung nahihirapan kayong mag-decide kung sino ba yung dapat unahing insure sa pamilya. And before I start pala, disclaimer lang, my views and opinion doesn't represent the company that I'm working with, and definitely I'm just doing this to give an idea dun sa mga nahihiyang magtanong sa mga advisor kung paano ba tong insurance na to. At least in this vlog, they could get a glimpse kung ano ba yung sinasabi namin or ginagawa namin sa financial planning. So ayun, sana makatulong and sana mas maging interested pa yung maraming tao dahil definitely this product offers something such as a solution para sustain natin yung lifestyle ng family natin, or at least something that will catch us if unexpected things will happen in the future. So without further ado, let's get into the topic. As financial advisor, lagi kong tinatanong kung sino ba yung breadwinner sa family. Yung setup nyo, yung nanay nagtatrabaho, edi dapat yung nanay mo na i-insured, or tatay nagtatrabaho, tatay mo na i-insured, or kung matanda na yung parents at yung anak yung nagtatrabaho, then definitely dapat yung anak mo na yung insured. So we will start protecting the goose that lays the golden egg. Ayun. Kung sino yung nagpo-produce or nagbibigay ng income at bakit natin nasabi na kailangan ganun siya. So I'll be sharing to you a concept. Lifestyle. Poor, comfortable, and rich. Everyone would definitely like to go up. As a breadwinner, we have to work hard as the lifestyle depends on us. Our income versus our family's expense. We have to earn so we could provide for food, comfortable home with internet, water, and electricity, and good education. However, if our expenses are still greater than our income, we have to think of ways how we can skyrocket our income and to make sure that we are earning enough so we could buy our wants. While we're too busy working on with our dreams, something could still trip us down. And it is sad events. Sickness, accident, and death. Something that can happen to anyone. The question is, if this arise, are you covered? As a breadwinner, who are you expecting to pay? Your family or your insurance?
We've all experienced getting sick, and it can drain you. Sure, you might have enough for a fever, the flu, or something that keeps you out of work for a few days. But what if it were something a bit more serious? A sickness that forces you or someone in your family to stay in the hospital for weeks or even months. It's definitely not going to be cheap. We rarely plan for long-term sickness. After all, we never imagine it happening to us until it does. Critical illnesses can cost millions of pesos to treat. That's why most Filipinos still pay for their medical bills straight out of pocket. Of course, we can try to protect our health with proper diet and regular exercise. But what we often neglect is something that's just as important, our finances. If we do get sick, proper finances help us get the treatment we need to get better. But without it, we're left with a gap between the healthcare we can afford and the healthcare we need. And that's what we call the health gap. When it comes to saving for our health, a regular savings account just isn't enough. Not with low interest rates, inflation, and the rising cost of medical expenses. This is why we need a hard-working health insurance plan to help us bridge our health gap. A plan that protects us from the catastrophic cost of being critically ill, so we don't have to rely solely on our hard-earned savings. A plan that only asks for a few thousand pesos a year, but can potentially save us millions of pesos over a lifetime, so we can lead a long and healthy one. SUNLIFE can help bridge your health gap by offering you protection that's right for your budget and right for your medical needs. So when someone asks you if you've got enough to live a healthy life, you can answer with a resounding yes. Let SUNLIFE help bridge your health gap. Talk to a SUNLIFE advisor today.
So, that is insurance. Ganun lang siya kadali. So, it protects the lifestyle of your family to change in a snap. Kasi dito sa Pilipinas, napakadami talaga na isa lang yung nagtatrabaho. And can you imagine if pamilya, tas yung housewife mo, sanay nang nasa bahay lang nag-aalaga ng bata, nag-asikaso sa bahay, tas ikaw lang yung income earner na kumikita ng 100,000. And then, if something happens to you, do you think your housewife can do your job and replace your income? Definitely no. Diba? Because you have that skill. That's why we will protect whoever lays the golden egg. Kung sino yung kumikita, dapat siya muna yung may coverage. Kasi if something happens to that person, then definitely the whole family will be affected. And this is why we call this as love insurance, because definitely being responsible beyond measure is really love. Diba? So this can give every breadwinner a peace of mind na if something happens, at least they could still continuously provide for their family. You can sustain their lifestyle. And the good thing is, you can decide until when. Because there's no such thing as overinsured, but basically the ideal coverage for income protection, your income times 12 times 10. Para at least whatever happens to you as the income earner, you could still able to provide them the next 10 years. Hindi yung parang from comfortable then drastic move agad to poor, or from luxury drastic change to poor. So at least you could give them enough time to find their ways, especially if you have a child that is on their high school or you're a child in their college. At least you have to cover, or you have to consider until they graduated, para you already have someone to replace the income. In this way, if you are covered, lahat ng paghihirap mo ay hindi masasayang in a snap. Kasi you are protected. So, ganun siya. So, ayan, I truly hope that you've learned something from it. This is for our 50 pesos GCash winner for this video. Yeah. Shout out to Chernicole Diaries. Napili ko kasi yung comment niya yung pinin ko sa last video ko kung saan share ko sa inyo kung paano mag-book ng Jollibee virtual party. Ayan. So, congratulations, Chernicole Diaries. Guys, please support her. Sobrang nakakatuwa yung mga videos niya, at saka sobrang supportive din ng tao na to. So, church meet ko siya before sa may San Roque. Tapos, ayan, ngayon, parehas na kaming nag-YouTube. So, please support Chernicole Diaries. Ayan. So, if bago ka sa YouTube channel ko, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and then turn on mo na din yung notification bell para updated ka sa mga susunod na uploads ko. And baka ikaw na nga ang next na ma-shoutout ko. Ayan guys, so I truly hope na na-consider nyo din yung pagkakaroon ng insurance. So dapat sa panahon ngayon, diversified yung assets natin. Dapat meron tayong savings for liquidity. We also have stocks for growth, insurance for protection. Diversify nyo lang yung pinaghihirapan nyo. Tapos, ayan, if you also want to have a free financial consultation, you can just comment down or mag-message lang kayo dun sa Facebook page ko. It's IEmTudla. Or if you would like to ask for quotation or other advices when it comes to insurance, yeah, just comment it down below or message nyo lang ako. Lagi naman akong online. So, thank you so much guys for being with me today. I hope to see you next time. Take care. God bless.